This is hard.
That's what she said.
अबे ये क्या हो रहा है यार? It's not happening. It's not happening. Mother, it's not happening only. So if I look ugly, I'll kill you. Chal. No, I'm joking, guys. Just roll. Start.
So I am Simran and I teach pottery. I've been doing pottery for the past 3 years.
Not the face. Hi, I'm Prajay. We're here at Durangos, which is, I think, a space where a bunch of different activities happen. But today we're doing pottery. I'm back because Sanya rigged the last episode to win. So now I need to come and redeem myself. I know this is going to somehow turn into a competition at some point. So I know I'm here to beat her.
You make me rinse the dish before putting it in the dishwasher. If I'm gonna fucking rinse it, then why would I just not wash it?
How do you not see the difference between rinsing and washing something?
I'm very excited for today's episode because the team has not put me in a dangerous situation. Or so I think, at least. I really hope it doesn't get crazy, but I'm excited because lots of people tell me pottery is like meditation, and I really think I need to find my inner peace. In this episode, you're going to see like Zen, calm version of Sanya, inshallah. It's not happening. It's not. How did you tie it so fast? You're like an expert at this.
What?
Raja actually like wears an apron a lot because
Yeah,
he
I
cooks.
cook.
He cooks a lot.
What's wrong with that?
No, nothing. I'm just talking about it. I'm not like being an asshole about it.
Okay, I don't know why I'm defensive.
I know you're already.
I feel like
so
you're like trying to
defensive.
attack me with everything
No.
you're saying. It's okay. Let's just have fun.
Yeah, I agree. I'm not ready to kill you. You're the one who started this.
I'm here to have fun now.
Okay, cool.
Vibe change.
Okay, what are we starting with? I don't know how I feel about pottery. I feel like it's a skill that you only know you have once you try it. And I'm not too nervous also. I'm like, if I suck, then I suck at pottery. It's okay. Wow, I didn't think we'd start with cleaning, but that makes sense.
All my months of ghissoing bartan in the house are coming to use.
You don't ghisso bartan. He's such a liar. He doesn't ghisso bartan.
What do you mean?
You always put that dirty dishwasher on. You're the one who started this.
I'm here to have fun now. I work for a company that makes dishwashers. I think it makes sense that I have a dishwasher.
Okay, my take is that dishwashers are the stupidest things in the world.
How? It's so convenient. Whatever, it doesn't matter.
No, it does matter. Dishwashers are stupid.
No, they're not.
They are. They're a waste of time, space, and energy. Just wash dishes.
When y'all are done,
Sorry.
when y'all are done, I mean, I'll just clean it up quickly.
What do we have to do now? Sorry.
I feel like I compete with her every day, so this is just another day for me. Except now there are cameras, so there's evidence. She can't deny it. If if I happen to get the upper hand, but if I lose, she'll never let me forget it either.
I wish Ritika was here to just wash my hands for me.
You are really abusing Ritika's help. Don't you
She was
think?
my Kujli assistant. I will do anything not to lose to Praja. Anyway, in the last episode, spoiler if you haven't seen it, Praja already lost to me in mixology, so it's just going to be another episode of him losing. Basically, this is someone stop Sanya with someone stop Praja from being a loser. I got a big chunk. This is how I wish my shit came out in the morning. This is how it actually comes out in the morning. What? You're just getting pissed for what?
Eat more fiber.
You know how your shit comes up? Loose motions because you're an NRI.
That's not. I mean,
Yes. Have the Vada Pavan show. Have it.
I had the vada pav. No, I'm going for the win today.
So while we're doing this, like I'll help you guys with the posture. You just make sure that both your knees are sticking to the sides of the pot while making the pot. We will keep our hands and elbows here.
Wait, I'm position only. I'm wrong. 1 second. Like this.
Yes.
I mean, I think I think I have a little more ability to craft something than Sanya. But you know, I don't want to underestimate her. So let's see how it goes. But I'm feeling confident.
Clay is very unpredictable. You will not know what happens.
Like
Where-
the show.
Where does one buy pottery clay from? Like I'm sure it's not like Juhu Beach gaya and then you get
Juhu
clay like.
Beach, no, it's
Yeah,
not.
so like is this like special clay of a certain
It is
like
a
what is it
special
made of?
Mud.
Just mud.
Yeah. I think Sanya would do it. I don't know. She's like headstrong and like all excited about it. So
So for context, Sanya loves being a teacher's pet or at least a favorite student in a class. So if someone else gets a praise, she can't take it.
That's not true. You can praise her.
Historically, Sanya loves being A1 student.
Who complains to the teacher in the beginning of the class?
I'm not complaining. That's all I'm saying is I'm
Gosh,
giving context.
You know, no one wants to go to class with you.
I want you to take the clay now and then just beat it up a little. Right.
See, Praja, this is what I want to do to you.
Kinky.
I don't think so. It's gonna be. I just hope they don't end up throwing mud on each other. That's all I'm hoping for. But let's see how it goes. It's gonna be fun for sure.
Hold this here. Okay. Do this. Hold it. Hold 2 fingers here. This. Lovely.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect one. Lovely.
Oh, that was so smooth.
You also
Nice.
many bubbles. Perfect.
I'll take it. We could name it. This is
Linda.
No.
It looks like a Linda.
No, it doesn't. Linda, by the way, is what Sanya calls a massive turd.
This is a Linda. Truthfully. When it slowly comes out of your bum.
So the first hand movement, you're going to keep the top of your palm and your hand here. So,
It shouldn't. Hey, it moved. I think I have a little more ability to craft something than Sanya. I'm going to name it.
Lakdi ki kathi.
You are so bad at naming things. I'm going to name it.
Batuk.
Stop. Actually, I like Batuk.
Batuk.
Yeah, Batuk.
Yeah, I like Batuk. What's mine called?
This is Batuk, and that.
Sheila.
Okay, Sheila and Batuk.
Praja, how you're managing?
Michelangelo said that the sculpture, I forgot what he said actually, the sculpture is inside the mold.
Inside you.
I feel like I'm so calm and Sanya is just like,
Abhe, ye kya ho raha hai, yaar? It's not happening. It's not happening. Maitri, we found something I'm awful at. You only lagao nazar. Bitch, look at how bad I am at this.
why sure, it's not. Basanti's looking good, baby, don't worry.
Her name is not Basanti, it's
Oh, Sheila, sorry. Why?
Batuk and Sheila.
Batuk and
Basanti is
Sheila.
my plant.
Oh.
Wow, I did nothing. How you did that?
I'm in love with Batuk.
What if I have to blow my nose?
Don't.
we're going to now open the clay.
Okay.
So my hands are just supporting. Can we start? Okay, and my hands are rested. If you see, my hands are not like over here. So get your thumbs down. Rest your hands.
And it's okay that my fingers are touching the.
They need to.
They need
They need to touch the. You're supporting the clay to have its wall straight,
Okay.
but you're also opening the clay. Keep going down.
वैसे तुम्हारा खुला क्या?
Thoda sa.
मेरा नहीं खुल रहा.
You find the G spot.
मेरा खुल ही नहीं रहा है.
Sometimes you have to start with foreplay.
But don't be dirty. My parents are watching this episode. So are yours. Both our parents watch this episode.
I cracked one joke. Sorry, ma.
Okay, now?
Okay, now we're going to poke the clay a little bit.
Wow,
But
Batuk is looking so good.
Yeah.
can you see that the needle is clean?
Yes, it's clean.
Yeah, now right in the center, very gently. Can you see?
Yeah.
Get it out. Okay, check. So your base is this thing. Like super base.
Okay.
Get it out. And this is a bit smaller. It's just take it out. Going. So now we're going to open the sides of the ashtray. So you're going to open it up. But keep supporting. There is no pressure that you're applying to the sides of the wall. Only the inside. Nice.
Open.
Sanya. Nice. It has to be very
So you
slow.
saw that? You didn't see it, bro. You didn't see it. Look at how I opened it. That was cool.
Prajay, hold the side of the wall. Perfect. Take the two middle fingers. This is the position going to be. Okay?
It's like one of those Naruto, you know, like the,
I don't understand anime
Like this.
references.
Take one thumb. Take the right thumb, Sanya.
Huh.
Place it here. Take both the middle fingers. Yeah, lovely. Yeah.
oh, I did something.
Prajay did something wrong.
It's
Ma'am,
wrong.
see mine. See mine.
It's good.
Disgusting behavior.
They're really lame. They're struggling.
No, buttock. No, I'm going for the win today.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, see. Ma'am, see. I fixed it. Guys, I fixed it. I'm a Potter. Harry Potter. What can I say? I'm just so good. I'm so smart, so incredibly talented, so brilliant. And I'm just, some people are born losers and some people are born winners. I am the sperm that won. I am the ovary that won. And I am the Sanya Mirwani that is winning.
Stop having expectations of me. It's getting to me. I crippled under the pressure of all the expectations.
Praja is an absolute loser. Despite what he tells you and how sweet he seems, he's an asshole. Don't let it fool you. He is horrible. He will do anything to win. He'll play dirty to win. And there's no reason for that. I'm clearly the winner.
You suck at pottery, bro.
So we have decided that we're making this a competition now because I need it to be a competition. Okay?
I'm so surprised.
So we're going to compete now, and what's going to happen is Maitri's like done a bunch of questions. She's prepared a bunch of questions. We have to answer them. And there's no buzzer because we can't afford it. So we're going to make a sound. Like mine's meh. Cool.
So, where did you first meet?
Meh, Bombay.
Oh, okay. Wait, sorry. I'm just okay.
Meh, Bombay. Meh, in our building. Meh, in the badminton court.
So, who said I love you
Meh,
first?
Praja.
Me.
Praja.
Me.
I said it first.
What was your first trip together?
It was to Lonavala.
Okay, who usually wins arguments?
Meh, Sanya.
Sanya.
What's the most expensive thing they've bought together?
That we bought together or that I bought for
No, that you bought together.
Together, flight tickets.
flight ticket?
Many flight tickets.
Yeah. But I said
Yeah.
Ururu first, that's my point.
No, you have to say.
No. Ho gaya.
What's your comfort TV show?
Mine or ours is the couple?
Ours as a couple, no, Chariya, you think it's your game or what?
What? I'm clarifying. I said Ururu already. A modern family.
I disagree.
What is our comfort show?
क्या पांचवी पास से तेज है?
I've never even seen it. Just fake it.
What's the strangest fight you've ever had?
Strangest fight?
Hey, that's my fault. She did my fault. No. Ururu. I said Ururu first.
Oh my God!
It
please.
was.
Should we stay together? Let's see if it's
No. Okay.
Please.
3, 2, 1. Dhadak.
Dhadak.
I wanted to go home and Sanya said, no, take me to go watch Dhadak, the film. And I was like, I'm really tired, I've not slept. And then Sanya said, okay. And I was like, okay. And I started driving home and she just started crying. She just started weeping and she said, you don't love me. Because if you loved me, we would go to see Dhadak right now.
I'm sorry.
We watched Dhadak and at the end of it, Sanya apologized.
Who is more stubborn?
What is my sound?
Me, I'm more stubborn.
Praja is more stubborn. I had to
And
listen.
the last one, who's the bigger spender?
Sanya Mirwani is the biggest spender by a wide margin.
A margin. Praja doesn't spend on anything.
That's not true. Sanya spends too much on everything.
So, Prajay wins the questionnaire round.
That's a bunch of BS.
And
That's nonsense. Okay, anyway.
So now because of that, Sanya gets a sabotage and Praja gets an advantage.
I hate that. Okay.
So
What?
you'll be blindfolded for a minute
How can I be blindfolded?
while you're making your ashtray,
What the fuck?
And what do I get?
and you get like 2 minutes extra to make your ashtray. And we're gonna judge as
1 minute. You get 1 minute extra. I'm blindfolded.
I get 2 minutes.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute extra. Third Empire's agreed. 1 minute extra. That 1 minute I'll be blindfolded.
Fine, I'll do it also.
Okay.
It's that feeling that makes you want to
3, 2, 1, and go.
Okay. She's helping him, yeah. She's helping him.
All she said to me was,
She's helping
nice.
him. No,
When
she's
you were asking her
helping him.
questions, and she has said nice to
Cheating.
me.
Yeah, cheating, yeah.
It's that feeling that makes you want to
So I'm gonna blindfold you now.
This is not fair. Anyway, I have
Who
chashma.
has
Anyway,
them?
can't see anything.
It came out. See, Sanu, it's here.
I can't see
Wait,
it.
wait, give me your hand. I'll show you. It came out. Your whole thing came out.
Linda. Wow. Wow. Mashallah. Gorgeous.
Why? Are you feeling bad that
Praja
you're
is making
losing?
a glass and she's making a ashtray.
Mine will become an ashtray, don't worry. Oh no! No!
क्या आप पांचवी पास से तेज हैं? मार
I think at this point, I'm here to make Sanya look good. On the show. That has become my role on the show.
That's it done.
Wait. I want to let it shape
Oh
up a
God,
little bit.
what are they doing?
You want me to help you? Stop.
What is this? Because I think I started off really well, and then I applied a little too much pressure and it distorted the shape. And once again, I think I was at a point where I could have maybe tried to have salvaged it, but then Sanya removed the entire top part, so it was not salvageable anymore. I mean, it's not her fault. This one is my fault. I can't even make any excuses. I got too excited and I got carried away, and then I just ruined it.
I'm the winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Once again, he loses twice on a Someone Sub Sadia episode. Praja loses again. Embarrassing. You know, at this point, we should not even invite you on the show. Because when you come on the show, it's a spoiler already. Because you're a loser.